Introducing Reverb, a new curatorial project set within Tyson Research Center, a sprawling 2,000-acre biological field station located just 20 miles west of St. Louis in Eureka, Missouri. Housed in a 3,200-square-foot concrete bunker, originally built during World War II for supply and ammunition storage, Reverb transforms this historical space into a hub for contemporary art and creative exploration. The inaugural exhibition and a series of interactive workshops have just concluded. The exhibition Yard Through featured works from Johnston and Layla Zubi. The series of workshops showcased the intersection of art and science while fostering community connections.
The Tyson Research Center is located in Eureka, Missouri, and it's a really special place due to its layers of existence and usage over time. Now Reverb exists, and we're really excited to activate the space, working with artists and community members to program and bring other people out to a space that normally doesn't get that kind of activation because it's normally used for science research.
The bunkers are mainly used as storage units. There's a lot of really curious stuff that is stored in the units. Our particular bunker is kind of unique in that it's being used as a public space. If you go to the bunkers, you'll see they're pretty dank, they're pretty dark, they're pretty cave-like. It's definitely not a space that is normally utilized for these kind of connective purposes. So that was a challenge, and a challenge that we were actually really excited about taking on.
The neat part about Bunker 3 that we're existing in is it's a non-modified bunker. So there's 52 bunkers on this 2,000-acre property that have been modified and used for different purposes. And something that's really unique about this one is that the concrete's original, the entrance is original, and everything has been kept intact.
Because we are about 40 minutes away from the city, it was really important to us to kind of create an experience that was inviting and where people may have wanted to stay. And I think we did see that, where people sort of hung out for a while, and it felt like we created this group experience in the woods together.
I think there's also something really beautiful about a space that's outside of a white wall gallery. It's a breath of fresh air in the art space. I also think it leans into Carmen and my own art practice. As artists, we think about sight and responding to places, and that's something that we wanted to continue that language in our organizational practice, and Tyson gave us that container and a space to facilitate that opportunity. We had an open call to the public for programming, and we were really excited by a lot of the opportunities that people saw in the space and their responsiveness to the land and site and the way that we imagined it being an exciting site. They also saw that. I think different disciplines bring important value to one another, and that's something that has been really rewarding.